this court over the 30 years in which it has defended our democracy and its democratic vision as set out in our birth certificate, our constitution. This court has been the guardian, watching over our nation's legal constitutional health, just as a parent would attend to the health of their growing child. The establishment of the court lent legitimacy to the new order at the time when we were emerging from decades of apartheid oppression. In many ways, the court was born of struggle and hope, anchored in the belief that never again shall South Africa be governed without regard to dignity, equality, and justice for all who live in it. This court has contributed not just judicial validation of the constitutional order, it has elevated the consciousness of our people about their constitutional rights. It has contributed to building trust in our legal or judicial system. Through principled constitutional interpretation, it has also contributed greatly towards advancing national cohesion and reconciliation, and serves the public good. As government leaders, we must commit to respect the rule of law, to strengthen institutions, and to implement court decisions in good faith. And as a collective, we should ensure that the values enshrined in our Constitution continue to define our national identity and guide our development. 30 years on, the Constitutional Court remains a beacon of democracy in our country, a compass for our future journey, and may it continue to stand as a testament to justice, to accountability, and to the resilience of the people of South Africa. South Africa faces many challenges: poverty, inequality, joblessness, underdevelopment. Yet we move towards as a collective with confidence, as a people with great strength, fortified by the knowledge that the guardians of our constitutional order is continuing to develop good jurisprudence to continue guiding our democracy. As we look to the next 30 years, we should ensure that the Constitutional Court remains a living institution, an institution that is responsive, that is principled, and an institution that is deeply rooted in the values of Ubuntu, accountability, and human dignity.